Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I make videos on planning with the occasional review. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the indie Bookworm by Amara Franklin. I love this little catchphrase, your new favorite book is indie. So every month you get a new indie book, and there are two options. You can either get the physical book or you can get the Kindle version. I ended up getting the Kindle version. So the first thing in the box is a short story called The Elf and the Goblin by Don Kozak. Don is a friend of mine. I enjoyed this story so much. I read it twice, and it is a choose your own adventure story. So when you get the next month's box, you'll get to see the story continue, which I think is a really great idea. Inside, you will find a handwritten note from Amara herself, which I think is a wonderful little touch that I really appreciate. Right there is all her information, which I will link down below in the description. These bookmarks, created by author and mindset coach Rebecca K. Sampson, her nonfiction book, Stronger Now, helps you empower your own unstoppable life. I love using multiple bookmarks when I am reading. Currently, I'm reading Paper Towns by John Green, and I have 3 bookmarks because I have one that is marking where I am in the book right now. The second one marks where my reading goal is for the day, and the third one is marking part 2 of the book because it is written in 3 parts. A&L Bath Bombs. Homemade sulfate-free bath bombs, apple pie scented bath bomb made with coconut oil. This smells so good, y'all. I couldn't even believe it. Like, as soon as you open the box, you get this whiff, and it's just the smell of this bath bomb. It is so good. It's also mixed in there with that candle smell that we will get to in a moment as well, but it's so nice. There's also stickers. Hello, planner people. I was so excited to see that there were stickers in here. And they are fall stickers, so I did use some of these already because I've had this already filmed for a while now. I just haven't had the time to edit and do the voiceover, but they are beautiful and I loved them. Maker's Corner hand-drawn stickers to spruce up your planners and daily routines. So I love it when anyone can hand draw anything. Y'all know I can't even doodle. It is what it is, but I don't mind getting them certainly from other people. And also, Amara was nice enough to include a bingo card, which is awesome. So every time you get a new box, you can mark off one of these squares. I want to mark off read a thriller book because I love thrillers. And of course, we get to one of my favorite things in the box, which is the Big Ears Candle Co. I think that's hilarious. Big ears and candle wax. I'd chuckle about that for sure. So this is the Autumn Magic Candle, Big Ears Candle Co. Autumn Magic Soy Candle literally brings the magic to this fall season, and it smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I'm excited to light this candle and go ahead and use it as I'm writing. It smells really, really good. And to continue with the autumn magic theme of this box, Amara has also included a Spotify playlist, which I think is cool. It gives you all of the feels of autumn. And these are some books that you can pick up by Rebecca K. Sampson, who's also the person who supplied the bookmarks that you find in this box. This is the part of the video where I had a brain fart and I picked up this bracelet and I dropped it. And the little fairy charm that comes with it, I dropped it on the floor and I didn't realize, and I was looking everywhere for it, but I did get one. So this is Jewel Artology, and it is an antique silver toned fairy charm collector's item. Every month receive a new charm based on the book or theme of the box, which I thought was really cool. Green is my favorite color, so I was very excited to see this in the box. This is a 5x7 art print artwork created by Katie Potter and printed by Printed Mint, and it's called Charlotte. On the back, there is a note from Natalia Lee, who is this month's indie author, and I was so excited that even though I didn't get the physical book for her to sign, I got a little note from her, and she wrote Songs of the Triad, again by Natalia Lee, so I was really excited about that. Now on to the featured book of the month, A Song of the Dryad by Natalia Lee. So this is in my Kindle, and I'm so excited to read this. It's going to be one of my first few books that I read in 2021, since I didn't get to it at the end of 2020. And because I signed up for the indie bookworm during the launch period, I ended up getting a second book, which I was so excited about. And so this is also going to be one of my top 5 books that I start off the year. All the King's Traders by Caitlyn Rivers. And so I also was able to get that in my Kindle. And of course, remember that you can get the physical books if you wish. It's going to be a little more expensive because you obviously need more room in the box and it's going to weigh more. So you can choose whether you are a Kindle reader or you like the physical book. And this is the paper that came with all of the information that I was reading off of that comes inside the indie book worm subscription. So I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing. I will leave all of the information for Amara and everyone that is included in this month's box down below. I also will leave a link to Dawn's channel because she has great reviews on the December as well as the January box so that you can continue to see what is inside. And here I am just kind of showing you that bracelet, even though I'm like, where's the charm, that you can go ahead and adjust it and it can fit any size of a wrist really well, even if you're wearing a jacket. And I'm sorry that my voice has been cutting out, but I'm definitely starting to lose it a little bit with the weather. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.